Can you hear?
Yeah, good
Can you hear
morning.
me very well?
Yeah, it's better than yesterday.
Right. I hope
Good.
it will not. We will not have troubles again, right?
Yeah. Mm,
It was really terrible yesterday. Oh,
mm,
okay. But anyway, yeah. All right. Let's go to our topic today.
okay.
Okay. So, test four, or actual test number four. All right. Can you go ahead and read question number one, or
Okay.
the statement
Okay,
number
question
one?
number one. No matter where we live, when it comes to something as important as healthcare, we all want the best. That's why Kitra and Allied Care have joined forces to create a partnership that will set a new standard for quality and caring. Kitra and Allied Care, raising a standard for your town, for your family, and for you.
Okay, that was 27 seconds.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. So, I think it's better.
Hmm. Okay, good.
Like you had intonation. Y- All right,
Hmm.
and although it was not really very fast, but since the situation is short, you
Hmm.
cannot really have the time lengthen or shorten for you,
Hmm.
right?
Okay.
It was okay. Okay, another one
Okay, question two.
for question number two.
Okay. Dear valued customers, LC Telecom wishes to announce that there is a disruption of its internet services due to circuit fault on some marine cable network between Malaysia and Indonesia. Due to this, customers using internet services may now experience slow browsing while accessing websites hosted in the United States of America. Thank you.
Okay, that was 31 seconds. Okay. Um, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Can you? Okay,
Zia,
Indonesia.
Zia, Z,
Yes. Yes,
Malaysia.
something like, yeah. It sounds like Z.
Like a
Of
zebra,
course,
right?
zebra. Of yes. If in their country,
Hmm.
they might pronounce it as Malaysia, like
Malaysia.
S. But if in standard American pronunciation, most of the S in the American accent is Z. Have you observed
Z.
that
Okay.
in your stay in Canada?
Yeah.
Have you observed? They pronounce S as Z, right?
I don't know. I'm not
No,
sure.
you don't know.
sometimes, uh, sometimes it could be, but not always. Do you mean S
uh-huh.
is always Z, right? Do you mean?
Um,
No, no, not.
no, no, not really, but you can hear them. You can hear them say S as Z.
Yeah,
Like for
it could be.
example,
Mm,
there is a disruption of its internet services, something like that, but not all the time,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
Okay. So other people will say Malaysia,
Malaysia,
Indonesia,
Indonesia,
Asia,
Asia.
Asia. Okay.
I'm not sure.
It
I
feels
don't know.
odd.
Yeah.
Does it
Not so
feel
much
odd?
there. Yeah. Well, it could be my listening problem. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. Here,
Yeah.
it was also okay. So we'll proceed now to the next word. Okay. So again, describing this picture, be
Okay.
careful of your um, prepositions.
Preposition.
I'll give you, yes, like
Mm-hmm.
on, in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll give you 30 seconds. to prepare. And
Okay.
starts now.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Need I just came back home. So
From work? Oh,
yeah.
really?
Uh, yeah,
Okay,
so
you must be tired right now. No?
tired. Always
Mm-hmm.
tired. Evening is always tired.
Uh, have you eaten dinner
Uh,
yet?
oh no, I had dinner already.
That's great. After this class, you might want to fall asleep. I mean, you might want to sleep instantly. You will sleep instantly.
Instantly something? Something
Hmm?
instantly? Yeah. What did you say? I couldn't hear
You might
exactly.
sleep instantly.
Ah, yeah. My sleep.
Instantly.
Okay.
After this class.
What's that mean? Instantly. Instantly. I could guess you might soon, right? Instantly means
Ah.
soon. Yeah.
Instantly, immediately.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
You
Mm. Oh, it's
will
question number 3 is very difficult.
immediately.
Yeah. Immediately.
Immediately.
Okay. Yeah. Misspelling.
Yes. Mhm. Just tell me if you're ready.
Okay. Uh, this picture taken at the train station. Mm, there are several platforms. So the right side platform, there are a lot of people on the right side platform. Uh, Many people are waiting a train. Mm, some people are waiting to train, and I can see a shelter and a clock. It's almost 11 o'clock. But the other platforms, there is no people in the other platform, and I and the train is not arrived yet. And I can see some subway lane, and the weather is very clear and sunny day. That's all. Nothing to explain.
Okay.
The picture is not good.
Oh, I forgot to click on. Okay, yeah, it's okay. All right. But I forgot to time you.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Did you time yourself?
No, I didn't. So
Did you time? Oh, okay.
I have a suggestion.
Mhm. What is it?
I wanna say something will happen after this scene. So can I try that?
Do you mean every after you describe the picture, you want to
Ah,
predict?
yeah. So
Do you want to
okay,
predict something?
predict something. Yeah. I
Okay,
wanna
that's
try
fine.
one more thing.
That's fine with
It's
me.
good way to increase my English skill, and the test I'm gonna take
Mhm.
usually ask something could be something will be ask the
Prediction.
anticipating or guessing something later. Yeah, is it correct?
I
I'm not sure.
see. Okay.
Okay.
So the test will
Okay.
be.
I will try that. Okay. Several minutes later, the train will arrive. So a lot of people will get off from the train, and the people who is waiting the train is will get on the train. So and they don't have enough time to get on the train, so they have to hurry. And the train will start at the exact time. Mm, and the people who just get off will go back, go out of this platform, and they will go back home or to their destination. Okay.
Okay. All right. You mentioned the people who is waiting for the train.
Yeah.
The people are many, right? So you
Mm.
should also include the people who are waiting for the train will enter.
Hmm.
Okay. All right.
So
And you use the
I don't need
expression
to
get
a lot
off.
of people, right?
Huh?
Is it correct or incorrect? A lot of people.
A lot of people. A lot of people is correct.
Yeah.
When you also use the people
The
are
people who are.
in who are waiting, not is. The people
Ah, did
who
I use
is
this?
wrong.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I usually
Okay.
confuse with that.
Oh, okay. All
Plural
right. Just
and something.
remember.
Okay.
Just
Thank
remember
you.
mm-mm. If you use many, then use also the plural form. Okay, you used get off.
Hmm.
You can also use get on. Get on the train, and they
Yeah.
have to hurry, right?
Yeah.
And the people who get off the
Hmm.
train will go to their destination, or maybe some of them will go home, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you
Mm.
mentioned that. Okay, all right. Other questions?
No. It's okay.
Okay. Get off, get on, use the train.
Use
Also,
the
if
train.
possible.
Okay.
Ride, use or ride. So that's probably is.
Okay.
During the, let me just correct what. Oh, are you also confused with a lot of and lots of?
Lots of.
Are you so confused? Lots of and a lot of, or there is and there are.
Is it same? Lots of and a lot of. Yeah.
hmm
Is it same,
But
right?
when you use, when you use, for example, there's a lot or there are a lot, okay,
Yeah.
that's the difference. Because you said there's no people on the other platform. There's no. Theirs is the contraction of there is, right?
Yeah.
And again, you use people. So you should use there are no people on the other platform.
There are no people.
Mm-mm. There are
There
no
is
people.
there is no people is incorrect, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Right.
but
Okay.
no people means no people. It means no people also plural, right?
hmm That's why we use are.
Okay, that's good. Thank
Okay.
you.
Another. Okay. You're very observant. I cannot really see the clock there. Okay. And you mentioned the clock almost 11 o'clock. The clock says. Okay. The clock says it's almost
Clock
11 o'clock.
says.
Right.
Clock says clock.
hmm
Okay.
Okay. All right. So if you don't have any problems or any questions to this from this,
Mm,
let's go to the next page.
is this platform, right?
Yes,
Platform,
I
and
think it's the correct.
I can see some lights on the right side and the middle of the platform. How can I say this one?
Middle. I can see
What's this?
street lights. Street
Can I
street
use
lights.
Street light?
Mm, generally, streetlights are not just on the street, so probably you
Mm,
can use streetlights.
okay. And is it train lane, right? Two train
Train
lane.
lane,
Yeah, lanes.
rails. You can also use rails.
Ah, rail. Two. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's more correct. Two
Mm-hmm.
train rails. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
good. Okay, let's move on. Next
Okay.
question.
Next page. Okay, so this will take, or I will give you 15 seconds to answer this question. How
Okay.
often do you check the weather forecast and where do you check it?
Mm, I usually check the weather once in a day. The time is about 7:30. Whenever I get up, I usually check the weather forecast because sometimes weather is really cold. So uh, in, I usually wear two jackets in the case. It's probably minus 30 or 45. So, and when I choose the weather, I usually use my cell phone application. Usually, cell phone application predict the exact areas where I live. So it's very good. But sometimes when I watch the news in the evening, the TV, the news shows or informs me, shows the weather forecast, the tomorrows. Okay.
Okay, 1 minute, over 1 minute. Um, minus 45. Really?
No, did I?
Freezing cold.
Chill weather? Chill weather? Do you know chill weather?
Chill?
Chill weather, like a chill weather means the the temperature degree.
Mm-hmm.
Degree
Yes.
thermometer degrees is minus 20, but usual chill weather, like feeling weather. Feeling degree is minus 30 or 40 sometimes. Not not
Really?
common, just 1 or 2 days in a month. Usually winter
Okay. Oh,
season.
really?
You couldn't imagine
Okay.
that.
Right, right. But I bet it's really freezing,
Uh,
right?
so
It's
minus 10 degrees, very warm.
really freezing over there.
Yeah,
Already. It's warm
okay.
already.
Yeah.
Okay. How reliable are the weather forecasts for you? How reliable?
Oh,
Or
it, I think the weather is, I believe about 80 or 90% of the weather forecast. So, uh, when the weather is bad, I usually check again because the the application changes the weather forecast from time to time. So
okay.
heavy rain or heavy snow,
hmm
the weather
And
forecast is like that. I usually check more often, one
okay.
or 2 hours.
Ah, all right, that's great. And anyway, it's just a forecast, right?
Yeah.
They cannot really predict what will happen later on in the day,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, but if you say it's 80 to 90% reliable, then that's already good.
Hmm.
Okay. All right, we'll go now to question number 5. Okay, in your opinion, what's a good weather for picnics? What's a good
Mm,
weather for picnics?
good weather is, I think, sunny and mild and no wind weather is good weather for picnic. So if the wind is harsh and the raining day, or that could we don't go to picnic in that time because we usually go out, stay outside and we or cook the meal or have lunch at, on the green grass. So there no
Okay.
wind and sunny weather is really necessary to go to picnic. To go to
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. To go to picnic or to go have picnic.
To go have picnic.
Okay. So your best weather or the good weather for picnic is sunny, right?
Sunny,
And
yeah.
maybe just mild windy. Just
Windy.
a mild windy. Right?
Yeah. But what's the opposite
Of
weather forecast of mild windy, harsh windy?
opposite?
Yeah. Mild
Opposite
windy
of
means
windy? Okay.
opposite meaning
Um,
word.
harsh wind, harsh windy. Not really. It's not common. You just say, you just use
Just windy?
extremes like extreme,
Extreme.
extreme, or very windy.
Oh, very windy.
It's very windy today. Harsh wind.
Harsh. When I can use harsh.
Yeah,
Harsh
you can
beating.
use.
Harsh.
Yeah, harsh beating. Okay. Other questions?
No.
All right. Okay, what about number 6 question? Which of the following is the best source for weather forecast? TV, newspaper, or the internet?
I think the internet is very convenient to check the weather forecast because when I watch the TV news for weathercast, I have to attend in front of TV when it tells weather forecast. So it's difficult to check the time. And usually, these days we don't read newspaper, and so it's also another difficult, inconvenient. And the weather forecast sometimes have changed. So, but newspaper printed a day, the day before, 1 days earlier or yesterday. So I think the internet is more correct weather forecast information. So I
Okay.
usually use that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, 1 minute, 7 seconds. Okay. You can use the word accessible.
Accessible.
The internet is very accessible.
Hmm.
Because when you use the newspaper, you had to buy, right? Yes, you had to
Yeah.
a while ago.
Yeah.
You had to buy, and if you just go online and
Mhm.
you search for the exact date and time for today's forecast, then easily you can easily check the weather forecast, right? You don't have to go outside and buy, and you also
Mhm.
don't have to go in front your television.
Yeah. Okay. That's right.
Okay, so you can say it's very convenient and accessible.
Mm.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, time flies, really, right?
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, so we will continue with our next topic on tomorrow. We'll continue with questions number 7 to 9.
Yeah.
Okay, since we don't have much time anymore to continue with this. Okay, unless you
Okay.
have other questions.
No questions today
No
anymore. Yeah.
questions. Okay,
Mm.
you have a good night, rest, Eric,
Yeah.
and talk to
Have a good
you
day.
tomorrow.
Bye.
You too.